Crypto services startup Anchorage has launched a crypto platform for its institutional investors and acquired the data analysis firm Merkle Data. Announced Wednesday, the moves mark an expansion in offerings for a company originally focused on providing institutions custodial services, as it continues to bet that adding more features like trading will carry crypto further into mainstream. Merkle Data's acquisition similarly expands Anchorage's reach, according to the blog post. Framing the data team as a complement to its new trading service, Anchorage said Merkle Data will boost its quantitative analysis and risk modeling capabilities. The San Francisco-based startup has been building out its services for much of the past year. In October, it added a governance platform for on-chain voting, months after introducing Stellar Inflation and Tezos staking, cold baking, to clients holding either crypto asset. President Diogo Monica sees these expansions as pivotal for the custodial firm he co-founded. In an opinion piece written for Coindesk's year-in review series, he said, "Whatever investors want to do with their assets, buy and hold, exit a major position, actively trade, participate in staking and governance, the custodian will be involved. It is also a response to client expectations," said Nathan McCauley, Anchorage CEO. "This is part of a growing trend," he said in a statement sent to CoinDesk. "Our clients have been asking us to provide brokerage from day one, because they're typically part of the same workflow. Clients buy assets and then deposit them into custody, or withdraw. You can read full post on CryptoFins News, link available in text below.